done this before. This is branching with additional amount. So the key to such questions is you see where the person uses some money more than a fraction of her money on certain things. Then you use these kind of models, okay? So let's check it out. Highlight first. Okay. So when I do fraction questions, I either draw bar models or this kind of a line. Okay, here we go. $6 more than 1/6, so I'll take 1/6 first. $6 more than that. I put the money on a different row as the fraction, and this will be art materials. Okay, so after spending on this, her remaining money is from here to here, so let me mark it out. Remaining money, I'll call this R. E. Okay. If this is 1/6 of the money, then 5/6 of the money is from here to here. Okay. I'm going to erase that. I think that is redundant. Rearrange this. Thank you for your patience. And out of this remaining, so out of the remaining, she spent $8 more than 1/8. So $8 more than 1/8. And this is stationery. Stationery. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna do this. Stationery. Okay. And this is what's left. And that is $13. This would be 7/8 of R. What did the art materials cost? So we are looking for the art materials, which is from here to here. This is what we're looking for. Okay. So what do we do then? Okay, I'll start from what we can add up and work backwards from. So we have this and this, which makes this one of R. And that makes 7 out of 8 of R. So I'm going to divide that by 7 to find 1 out of 8, which is $3. And then 8 out of 8 would be everything, so I multiply this by 8. That's $24. So this part here is $24. Found that. Okay. So next, $24. Let me check. Okay, so $24 plus this 6 makes 5 out of 6 of the money. So I'm going to add that first. $24 plus the 6 is $30. So adding these two numbers give me $30, and that is 5/6 of the money. So I'll divide by 5 to find 1/6 of the money, and they want what the art material costs. So this is 1/6 of the money, So $6. So this $6 is 1/6 of the money. This is 1/6 of the money, which is here. And so this plus the green color 6 gives you the $12, which is the art materials. That's it.